Today we're going to take a look at the head shunt of Network Rail just north of Robertsbridge Station. Just in case it isn't blindingly obvious, I thought I'd just mark out the area that's about to be relayed. The intention is for Network Rail to dig out this entire section as part of the relay process. We're just coming up on the gully. There's been a lot of posts about this over the last 18 months or so. It's worthwhile to point out that Network Rail have commissioned the footage used in these videos. And although the drone has gone down the alignment, I haven't personally been on the track. It is also important to note that this section of railway has closed and will be closed for about 10 days, I understand. More videos of this kind coming up, so keep watching.